LPAs in under 3 minutes, let's go. There are two types of lasting power of attorney. The first, being the property and financial LPA, and the second, being the health and welfare LPA. Despite there being two separate types, the definition of both is the same. A lasting power of attorney is a document which allows people you trust most to legally make decisions on your behalf, if you can't. The donor appoints attorneys to make decisions on their behalf, if they can't. The attorneys can start acting once the document is registered, with consent of the donor, or act as soon as the donor has lost mental capacity. The certificate provider is someone who signs the LPA document to state that the donor was of sound mind and was not coerced by anyone. This person must not be an attorney, related to them, and not related to the donor. This person must only be professionals who assess mental capacity, such as a solicitor or doctor, or someone who has known the donor for 2 years or more and seen them regularly. The LPA must be signed in order. First the donor, second the certificate provider, and last the attorneys. If it is not signed in this order, the document is invalid. The finance LPA allows attorneys to make decisions on the donor's assets, such as their bank accounts and their property. Due to the nature of this document, a person who is bankrupt cannot be an attorney. The health LPA allows attorneys to make decisions regarding the donor's health and care needs. For example, if the donor lost mental capacity and social services wish to move them to a care home, attorneys can decide which home, or they can decide to keep the donor residing in their property, with help from carers. Lasting powers of attorney are vital. Without a finance LPA, your bank accounts are frozen if you lose mental capacity or are incapacitated. It is a misconception that if it is a joint account, it won't be frozen. This is wrong, and in fact it is a criminal act to manage the affairs of an incapable person without legal authority, such as an LPA. Furthermore, if someone is incapable, they are unable to renegotiate mortgage rates, meaning the mortgage payments will become higher and unaffordable. The health and welfare LPA is equally as important. Without one, you have no say in how you are cared for or what treatment you receive or don't receive. For example, if you are a Jehovah's Witness, the staff at a hospital may still give a blood transfusion. Similarly, if you are Muslim, you can specify that all you eat must be halal. Before an LPA can be used, it must be registered by the Office of the Public Guardian. This is a branch of the Court of Protection, responsible for registering LPAs. The OPG charge admin fees for registering each LPA. This cost is currently £82 per document. However, reductions and exemptions are available.